package which I am going to send, there are two folders, MDS rate limiter and demo. So this is the actual rate limiting logic lies in this project. So you need to build it and install it. Okay, so use the command mvn clean install. So this will install the package. So the mvn clean install is successful now. So after successfully install, you can see the jar generated here. So what you need to include this as part of Maven. Okay, you go to this demo project for which I have used. Okay, see here I am using this as a dependency, MDS rate limiter, which is nothing but this install which we generated just now. And the properties which should be set is described in the application.properties. The port can be anything. So the application name I am giving as demo1 and region name as Asia. So this is how the configuration is provided. Apart from this, we need to configure it in the at each of the method level. Okay, so here I am just using that user ID. It permits 3 requests and timeout, that is in minutes. Okay, so for 3 minutes basically there will be 3 requests that will be permitted over this method or this REST API. So let me test it. Okay, so let me take a Jerome as your ID, user ID, and let's say we are trying to, if you does not give Jerome a user ID in the header, basically it will fail. Okay, so you need to give that. Okay, I have accessed this. Jerome can access 3 times. I just given this statement. So we have 1 request till now. So we completed 2. We completed 3 requests. So now this should fail. So it fails with 403. Okay, so which ideally, so based on this 403 return code, you can proceed further in your logic. That is all. Thank you.